Okay, so I'm outside the house, and this is what happened. So this is their house. This is where the tree has fallen. There's my car. Okay, don't know what our plans are next, but looks like we're going to be calling some people to cut down tree limbs and come fix the house. So we're going to go see. Holy shit. No, ma'am. Nope. No blue. No blue. And there it is. Okay, guys. We got really, really lucky because we were just in that house and it went down only one side and it's near the garage, so everybody's fine. That's the best part about this, is that we're all safe. So while I was filming that last about the fish, that's what happened in the meantime. This fell down. This tree behind me just fell down while I was filming that TikTok. I don't know if you guys heard it, but we've had a huge storm blow through this morning, and now a tree down. We had just got our generator started because we have no power. So the South is getting it, guys. Alabama is getting hit today. So I'm sure there's many places out there that got it, but we have it for sure today. It got one side of Jolene's vehicle, but the rest of all of our cars were parked here, and we were lucky. Everybody was lucky here.